Hello everybody. Today we'll find out the logical operators and or in the C programming. And for it I will use if statement because in my opinion is easy to understand concept for these logical operators. We'll declare the variables, let's say integer I 9. Now use if statement, let's say greater than 11, less than 11, and percent and percent that it is for the logical operator and it is the symbol for it, greater than 8, printf function our condition is true. Run, and we have a mistake because we have to use printf, not print, and our condition is true. The conditions in this statement says both situations have to be true, and the printf statement it is executed. For a logical operator or, we will keep the same example. We change just the sign, and one condition will be the pipe, double pipe for or condition, and we keep it that statement x less than 11 and greater than 10. Condition, over here I made a mistake. Condition. And we execute again the code, and our condition it is again true, because for the logical operator or, when the if statement it is executed, he had to find it at least one condition to be true. So we know now for the logical operator and both conditions from the expression should be true. For the logical operator or at least one condition from the expression have to be true. Thank you. See you.